Hi guys, welcome to virtual programming. It's me, Elda. Tonight we're going to make fresh pineapple strawberry salsa. I'm going to try to actually I'm going to turn this down so you guys can see what we're making real quick. Oh, it's not going to want to turn. Oh, did you guys hear that? Okay, so here's what we're making. Pineapple strawberry salsa. Isn't that pretty? And it's really, really delicious. So I hope you guys are watching. If you are, let me know you're there. We're going to go ahead and get started. For tonight's recipe, what you're going to need is a pineapple, and you want to try to get one that's not super ripe, but ripe enough that you can, cut it and want to eat it. But this is the part that you're going to use to display your pineapple salsa in. So you want to make sure that you get one that's got some nice leaves on the top. You are going to need, I've enlisted the ingredients in the description, so double check after I tell you, because I think I remembered it all pretty good, but I'm not 100% sure. What you're going to need, hi Dean, thanks for watching. You are going to need 1 cup of red pepper. You're going to need 4 tablespoons of limes, which is exactly, for me, worked out to be exactly 2 limes squeezed, because you need the juice. You're going to need a cup of yummy, delicious strawberries. You're going to need a quarter, let me see, I got them right here all chopped up. You're going to need red onion, and I'm pretty sure, yep, 3/4 cup red onion. You're going to need a 1/3 cup of cilantro. You are going to need 1 finely chopped, hi Cody, thanks for watching, 1 finely chopped jalapeno. You're going to need a cup of your pineapple after we cut it up. You're going to need I believe, 1/8 teaspoon of pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and an 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Check those, not 100% sure. And some tortilla chips. So that is what you're going to need to make this beautiful pineapple salsa. We're going to push that aside, and one thing I don't have here out in front of me is my jalapeno, which I pre-chopped, and I'll explain that to you as we get going. All right, so what you're gonna start up by doing, I'm gonna go ahead and turn down my camera, which is going to, sorry, my tripod is making some funny noises today. Let me grab a jalapeno for you guys. Okay, now I got my jalapeno. So what you're gonna do, this is probably the trickiest part of this whole recipe. What you wanna do is you're going to cut off, let's see if you guys can see that. Okay, pretty good. You're gonna wanna cut off the top third. Hi Stacy, thanks for watching. The top third of your pineapple. So what that means is you wanna cut from where the top part over, because we wanna keep this part. This is the trickiest part of this whole project. And let's see, my table is going to be very shaky. So I tried to get a pineapple that was somewhat yellow, but you don't want it too yellow because then your stem starts to get icky. So just go ahead and move my lime juice because I'm knocking it over. Okay, I'm gonna turn this on its side. And you're just going to go ahead and cut, like I said, the top third of the pineapple off. And this is the part that you're gonna wanna chop up and use for your salsa. Okay, so here you have it. Save this because we're gonna use it. Now, like I said, here's the kind of tricky part about this. You've got the core in the center of your pineapple, so it's gonna be a little hard. So I'm gonna try to cut my core out first so that I can get to the rest of my pineapple and make a hollow bowl for our salsa. And this, I really wanted to show you guys. It's a little time consuming, but this is probably the intimidating part of this project. So I thought it was important that you guys see how I do it. Now this pineapple's not completely ripe all the way through, so. But trust me, the salsa is worth it. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and keep cutting. Try to loosen it up. You guys can feel, like I can feel I'm cutting through. The core gets a little bit deeper as we get thicker. This part looks pretty messy. We're gonna go ahead and just cut out this pineapple. And just keep cutting it away. I'm gonna use my spoon. Hi Lucy, thanks for watching. As you see, it's now starting to come out. I'm going to put it in a bowl. You guys can see I've got right here a really thick hard core on this one. So let's try to get our core out. This smells really delicious. You guys see, I'm going to try to use, also try to save some of this juice from here. All right, you can feel we're getting there, guys. Trying to get it so you guys can see. All right, as pineapple pieces go flying, I can tell we have accomplished coring our pineapple. I'm gonna pull this part aside because this is the hard core. Hi Nancy, thanks for watching. All right, here we go. Got a little part in there that needs to be, there we go. It's coming out very nicely now. This recipe actually makes enough to fill the pineapple, but you will, or to fill the inside of the pineapple, but you will have enough to double it if you want. Can you guys, did you see that? I knew this was going to be messy. The pineapple juice just went everywhere. Okay, so if you want to, now you can go through and just clean up these edges. So we have a nice, there you go. I think we got it, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and remove my core from my bowl of chopped pineapple because I can see it's all right on top. And I am gonna go ahead and just dump, I wanna use this juice. If you guys can see all the juice coming out of there, because that's what's gonna make our salsa taste good. Okay, so now we have a nice, show you, hollowed out pineapple for our bowl. So that is the first and the hardest step. I'm just going to get rid of all this pineapple juice. No matter how hard I try, you guys, I still just can't get this where I'm nice and neat when I'm doing it. Okay, so this is the part of the pineapple that we're really gonna wanna use. And you're gonna want 1 cup of pineapple. So you just wanna go through now. This is all the real easy to cut part. Same thing, just on a smaller scale here. We're just gonna cut our pineapples. Now this is where you guys decide. I like my salsas to have smaller bites, but if you like a really chunky salsa, go right ahead, you guys, and make these bigger pieces. All right, so believe it or not, you will probably most likely get 1 whole cup of pineapple out of that. I'm gonna go ahead and add this to the pineapple that I had from earlier. Hi Rosemary, thanks for watching. I'm trying to see you guys and say hi, but I can't really see all of you. So thank you for watching. If I didn't say hi, and thanks for joining in tonight. Okay, so I know I've got a cup here. And like I said, I like to keep the pineapple juice. So keep that as you're going. So we have 1 cup of pineapple. You're gonna need 1 cup of strawberry. So we're just gonna go ahead and cut up our strawberries. To whatever size pieces you want, just enough. So you've got 1 cup, a little bit more because that was just a little less than a cup. So we've got our strawberries, we've got 1 cup of strawberry, 1 cup of pineapple. Same thing with your red onion. The red onion and the the red onion and the jalapeno I chopped very fine. I'm just going to show you how much I chopped these. So you guys get an idea. So we're just going to go ahead and cut our red onion. And we just want it in little fine pieces. don't know if you guys can tell the size of these pieces, but we're just gonna go ahead and chop them up so they're nice and diced. Till you get to the size that you want. And I like my onions smaller than my strawberry and my pineapple and my pepper. All right, so here you have it. If you guys can see those small little pieces. I'm just gonna make a pile of those because I've already got my onion chopped and ready to go. And another thing, go ahead, same thing with your pepper. Take the center out, get your seeds out, clean it up. These are all rinsed and ready to go. Same thing with your peppers, guys. Slice them up. Go ahead, dice them in the size. I need to sharpen my knives. Dice them in the size that you need. Like I said, I like my peppers sizes to be bigger than my my onions. Go ahead, this is looking really pretty, all these colors. So we've got our strawberries chopped, we have got our pineapple, we've got our pepper, we've got our onion. I went ahead and chopped super finely my jalapeno. I didn't want to chop it on camera in case I actually went ahead and touched my eyes, but we'll go for it anyways. So same thing with your jalapeno. I did not cut that one very well, did I? And you're gonna use the whole jalapeno. Please make sure you get all the seeds out. This salsa is not very spicy. Hi Richard, thanks for watching. It's not very spicy. I don't really like spice, so one is kind of perfect for me. But I chopped my jalapeno super fine, tiny pieces. But it's up to you guys. If you like bigger pieces of jalapeno, go ahead, chop them real big. So teeny tiny little bite-sized pieces. Once again, sharpen your knives before this project. Okay, so you can see how fine they're chopped. They're little teeny tiny pieces. So push those aside because we've got our jalapeno. Then you want to go ahead, same thing with your cilantro. And I don't know about you guys. Some people use the stems, some people don't. I did not use the stems. I just pulled the leaves off, chopped up the leaves. There's our jalapeno, ready to go. And I believe that's it, except for the limes. So I don't know if you guys know this, probably most of you do, but the trick with the limes is go ahead, give it some pressure, push down, roll really good, and then just go ahead. I've already gone ahead and gotten the lime from the juice from one lime. We'll go ahead and just get our juice from the second lime. This is actually really yummy, you guys. It's great with chips, but it's also, I think this would taste fantastic on a grilled salmon or grilled chicken. So go ahead and try it on your chicken, your fish. All right, go ahead. We got all our lime juice. So here is 4 tablespoons of lime juice. And now we are ready to just toss this all together. Just want to wipe out the bowl. Okay, fun part. Go ahead. You want 1 cup. I've got a little bit more than a cup here, and as you guys can see, I went ahead. I want to get as much of this pineapple juice out of here as I can. So this is a little bit more than a cup because I added what I just chopped in there. So we've got 1 cup of pineapple. We have 1 cup of strawberries. Go ahead and double check my measurements. They're in the description, okay, guys? We have our red onion, our jalapeno. I'm gonna mix this stuff up a little bit right now. Can you guys see look at all the color in there? Isn't that pretty? This is a really pretty, colorful summer salad. We have our cilantro. And we now have our red pepper. Red peppers are actually my favorite. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and mix this all up. Once it's nice and mixed all well together, and you guys can see I left my pineapple a little chunky. I kind of went down pineapple, strawberries a little bit chunky, red pepper a little bit less, and then the other, I made all the other ingredients smaller. So can you guys see how much this makes too? It doesn't feel like it's gonna make that much. Hi Emma, let me know if you try to make this. You guys have a barbecue you're going to or something? This is a perfect summer chip and dip. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and sprinkle on our 1/8 teaspoon of pepper. I believe it's 1/4 teaspoon of salt, but double check. And then our lime juice. Add it all up. And then we just want to stir this really good. Now this is best to refrigerate for a couple hours. I recommend you not. Hi Leslie, thanks for watching. I recommend not refrigerating it in your pineapple because your pineapple will get soggy. So just wrap your pineapple up and put it in saran wrap, put it in the fridge, and then you can do your dip in there right when you're ready to go. All right, so I think we are good and mixed up. Now we just need to let this marinate. Let me show you guys again. Look at how pretty that is. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, so now we're going to take our pineapple, our masterpiece right here, and we are just going to scoop our salsa right inside there. And this smells really good. It's a combination of strawberry, lime, pineapple. I can smell the cilantro and red onion. All of this smells are really coming out here. All right, so I even have extra. So here you go. Look how much is left in my bowl after making that. So here is your pineapple now, all ready to go. Isn't that beautiful? So, it's a great way too if you have kids in the house that don't like to eat peppers or eat their vegetables. You can sneak in your peppers, you can sneak in, hi Judy, thanks for watching. Sneak in your peppers, you can sneak in strawberries, pineapples, give them some chips, and there you go. So here you guys go. Strawberry, pineapple, strawberry salsa. Oop, I got some juice dripping out. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Please let me know in the comments if you went ahead and made this. I'm curious to see if anybody makes it and likes it or tries it. I do want to share one more thing with you. I don't know if you guys watched last year when I made, I did a program on regrowing your vegetables, and I just want to show you. So after you do your salsa, you can go ahead and take the top of your pineapple off, and you can put it in water until it roots. And look at, here is my plant. I need to clean it up a little bit, but here's my pineapple plant growing from the top of my pineapple. So regrow your vegetables, I think, is going to be on again in a couple weeks. So great use for your pineapple scrap when you're all done making your salsa. So thanks for watching, you guys. Have a good night. I will see you in a couple weeks. We are going to make upcycled dragonfly garden art. So thanks for watching, you guys. Have a good night. Bye. Let me know if you make salsa. Bye.